Before I moved to East Tennessee, I lived in 6 different states. I chose to come to ETSU because of this sense of community. I was looking for the culture where I would belong, and I didn't realize it until the war broke out in my country. For me, it was overnight. My friend from East Tennessee called me. I didn't pick up the phone. He eventually came over to my house, knocked on my door till I woke up, and he said, "Yaro, the war broke out." Nobody expected it. And by none of us, I mean not just my immediate family, but friends and relatives. What is my next step? Do I evacuate my family? How do I support those who are not able to evacuate? Nobody has any means where to go, where to find enough financial resources to evacuate. Very difficult time, but also so much provoking me to do something bigger than myself. I think the best statement how we started, it actually comes from Brazil, from their life philosophy. It says, if you don't have a dog, you hunt with a cat. What resources do I have? What knowledge capacity do I have to start a nonprofit to help those people who are affected by war? We ask friends and family and friends of friends, everybody from my network to donate some money towards the end of February, and we launched our humanitarian operations within the first week of war. We were already feeding several hundred people, and we escalated it to within 1 week to feeding several thousand people. We also realized that the need to upscale our operations. So from the private fundraiser, we started converting into the standalone nonprofit organization in Ukraine and in the US. And towards end of 2022, we already fundraised $1.5 million for humanitarian support. It's over 1 year since we started our operations. We already dispersed humanitarian supplies with a value of over $2.2 million, which has helped over 20,000 people. It will take another 10-15 years to restore it and to somewhat come close to what it used to be. Restore Ukraine will be a major key player in facilitating that process. It wasn't me actually seeking those people. Those people were finding me to ask me how they could help. And I don't think I would ever experience that sense of hospitality that is very present in the East Tennessee community, but also sense of unity and family that is also so much present in my Ukrainian community. Because with the way they prioritize their families, their relationships in their inner circle, that's how we extend our purpose in our community. And the East Tennessean people were the first ones to respond. A request from me to the East Tennessean community to give what they have to restore Ukraine. They have no opportunity to come here, but we have the opportunity to come to their home and actually give them hope that somebody is thinking about them, is caring about them, that somebody actually loves them, and that God is actually still active, that He is on the ground. Nobody knew how big the organization would be, to the point where we're managing multi-million-dollar projects, and the ways that ETSU community contributed At February 2022, nobody had an idea that the war would escalate to the point where it today, but also restore Ukraine to have the operations on the same level it is today, and also East Tennessee community plugging in so much with their resources, and not only financial, but with their support, with their heart, with their physical work. It has been a journey.
Life-changing for sure.
Yeah.